More equations, so more opposites. Opposite of divide is multiply. Opposite of subtract is add. Opposite of divide is multiply. Opposite of subtract is add. Opposite of divide is multiply. Opposite of add is subtract. Well, we've got the letter appearing on both sides. First of all, we're going to move them all to the left. So the opposite of positive 10 is negative. 6 subtract 10 is negative 4. Opposite of add is subtract. Opposite of multiply is divide. So start by moving all the ends across. Opposite of add is subtract. Opposite of multiply is divide. Move all the k's to the left. Opposite of add is subtract. Opposite of multiply is divide. Rearranging is the same idea as solving. So the opposite of divide is multiply. So we get 4y equals x. Opposite of squaring is square rooting. So we get the square root of y equals x. Opposite of subtract 10 is add 10. So we get y add 10 equals x. Same idea even on the longer ones. So opposite of divide is multiply. Opposite of subtract is add. Opposite of divide is multiply. Opposite of add is subtract. Opposite of square is square root. So we end up with the square root of 2y subtract 4 equals x. Opposite of squaring is square rooting. Opposite of divide is multiply. And the opposite of add is subtract. So we end up with 7 times the square root of y subtract 8 equals x. Solving inequalities is exactly the same as solving equalities, except we use the inequality sign rather than the equal sign. So the opposite of add is subtract. Opposite of multiply is divide. Sort out the inequality sign first. Opposite of subtract is add. Opposite of multiply is divide. Sort out the inequality sign. Opposite of subtract is add. Opposite of multiply is divide. Sequences, what comes next? They're going up in 3, so it's 21, 24, 27. Going down in 2s, so 6, 4, 2. Going up by 8, so 49, 57, 65. Nth term, this is going up by 10, so it's going to be 10n, 10 times table. How do I get from there to the sequence? I need to add another 7. Sequence is going up by 7, so it's 7n. Compare it to the 7 times table. 7 to 10, I've got to add 3 each time. This one's going up by 9, so it's 9n. Compare it to the 9 times table, and I have to add 1 to each of them, so it's 9n, add